For imperial conversions, first we want to find the conversion that we need. So for example, let's say we want to convert 72 inches into yards. Then we need the conversion from inches to yards, which is actually a two-step conversion. So first we would use the conversion from inches to feet. So 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. And then we also need the conversion from feet to yards. So 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. And now we're going to write out our conversions as fractions with the unit that we want to cancel on the bottom of the fraction. So what that's going to look like is we're starting with our 72 inches. Let's put that over 1. That's our starting point. And now we need to cancel out inches. So we need inches to be on the bottom of the next fraction. So in this first conversion, we're going to divide both sides by 12 inches. We'll write this conversion fraction 1 foot over 12 inches. But now we need to cancel out feet. Feet are on the top right now, so we need feet on the bottom. So in this second conversion, we're going to divide by 3 feet so that we get the conversion fraction 1 yard over 3 feet. Then we'll cancel the old units. So we have inches on the top and the bottom, cancel. We have feet on the top and the bottom, cancel. And then we multiply across. So across the top, we multiply 72 times 1 times 1 to get 72. And then we have yards on the top. And then across the bottom, 1 times 12 times 3 to get 36 on the bottom, and the units have canceled on the bottom. So last we just reduce or divide this number. 72 divided by 36 is 2, so we get 2 yards. Now let's try converting 102 gallons to ounces, and this is fluid ounces. There's also weight ounces, but since we're working with volume, if we have gallons, this is fluid ounces. So the conversions we need are that 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts. And then we're going to convert from quarts into pints. So 1 quart is equal to 2 pints. And 1 pint is equal to 16 ounces. So that's how we're going to get from gallons to ounces. We have to take those steps. So now we start with our initial measurement, write that as a fraction, 102 gallons over 1. We're going to write out our remaining fractions with the unit we want to cancel on the bottom. First we want to cancel gallons, so this first fraction, let's divide both sides by gallons. And we'll use this fraction, so times 4 quarts over 1 gallon. Now we want to cancel out quarts, so in the second conversion, divide both sides by 1 quart. And write that fraction. And then in the third conversion, we want to convert from pints to ounces, so we want to cancel out pints. So we'll write in the conversion fraction 16 ounces over 1 pint. Now we want to cancel our old units, or the units we don't want. So we have gallons on the top and the bottom, they cancel. Quarts on the top and the bottom, they cancel. Pints on the top and the bottom. And the unit that we have remaining is ounces, which is the one that we want. And now we multiply across. So multiplying across the top, we have 102 times 4 times 2 times 16, which is 13,056, and we have our unit ounces on the top, and then multiplying across the bottoms we have 1 times 1 times 1 times 1, so just 1, so our answer is 13,056 ounces.